Let's go over to editing. So for the purpose of this editing, we have two clips. The first clip is where I walked into the scene, walking into the camera, then sitting down. At some point, I pretended as if I've seen someone trying to pour water on me, and as you can see, I'm trying to pause the movement by raising my hands towards the second person. All right, so at some point I stood up and left the scene. That is for the first clip. So then on the second clip, this is me again coming out, acting as if I'm about to do something bad by telling the audience to keep short. So here is me attempting to pour water on the first person. All right, so I actually poured the water, and seeing that it didn't really work out the way I planned, I walked out. Now let's head over to editing. So now what you have to do is so simple. What you have to do is to tap on the second clip, then look for overlay. So here is overlay. Tap on overlay, then drag the clip to where he was sitting down already. Okay, so here that he raised his hands, we have to make the second clip to be at the place where he's about to pour water. So let's see how we are going to align it. This is where he raised his hands. Okay, so now let's look for the place where the second clip is about to pour water. Okay, this is it. So now what we have to do now, we have to go over to mask. As we have tapped the second clip, tap on the second clip, then look for mask. Okay, so here we have mask, then tap on horizontal. So as you have tapped on horizontal, as you can see, the two clips are already showing. So you have to move this straight arrow, move it this way so that it will be between the first clip and the second clip. All right, so when you have done this, you drag this arrow here. You see this white shaded area here that has something like arrow inside. All right, so you have to hold it and drag it to the front a little bit so that it will align the two clips so well, so that there won't be a sign of demarcation. So the sign is to make a rhyme, to blend it so well. So when you must have done that, you tap on okay, tap on good. So as you can see, here is where the freeze effect should happen. All right, so here, okay, here. So what you have to do now, tap on the second clip and tap on the second clip and look for freeze. So here is freeze effect. Tap on freeze. So that is to say that this place where the water is about to come out has been freezed. All right, so we have to freeze it until this second person leaves the scene. All right, okay, no, as you can see, the end of the freeze, it has gotten to the end of the freeze, so it's now playing. So what you have to do is to extend this frozen part. So to extend it, you have to shift this part that is not frozen, shift it to the front, then go to the freeze part, drag it so that we will extend the frozen part. until the first character leaves the scene. So I have to drag it to align with this. Okay, we have to drag this one to the front a little bit again, then tap on freeze, tap on the frozen part to drag it, to extend it until this second person leaves the scene. Okay, so let's take this one to the front a little bit again. So let's see what we have. So let's see what we have. So as you can see, this black thing is coming out because the first clip just ended. Alright, so that's why you are seeing the black thing. So for the black surface not to come out, all you need to do is to tap on the clip, go over to mask again, so that you disable the masking. Here is the mask, then click on none. Alright, so that is to say that we only have the second clip on the scene. Alright, so we have achieved what we want. So that is it. This is so simple to do on CapCut. Alright, so when you are done, you add any necessary sound of your choice, then you export your video, and that is it.